Hi, I'm Chad. I'm an applications engineer, and we switched from Microsoft Excel to QuickBooks Time. Please click below for more reviews. We had used both products to track time for employees. We are a project-based company, and we did this for job costing. QuickBooks Time is best for ease of use. The speed of employees to put their information in is much quicker, and we only allow certain jobs to be available for certain users. Microsoft Excel was great for the freedom and flexibility. On the same token, too, the platform being so open, we did have a little bit of issue where people could add in any text that they wanted at any time. The deployment of both programs was extremely quick. Where we had rollouts we would thought would take 6 weeks, we were up and running in a week. And most of that was just training of our people, not necessarily the software. Our biggest considerations with the software was how users could interface with it. We wanted something to be cloud-based. We wanted it to be available 24/7 from mobile devices, PCs, and also tablets.